this is pretty much the home screen of the application. And here you have the recovery, photo recovery up at the top here. You have the audio recovery, you have the video recovery, you have the document recovery, and you can see here the recovered files section. We'll pretty much show everything in one once you have done any one of these. And as well, you have the junk cleaner, which pretty much works. Once you tap on it, we'll just clean the junk file on your device. You have the notification cleaner option here as well. Pretty much clean the notification at the top of your screen. Once you scroll on the screen and tap for the notification bar. As well, you have the screenshot cleaner. So any screenshot that you have taken on your device, and we'll pretty much just look for all of those and we'll clean them from your gallery. Very simple. And as well, you have the contact recovery option. And I've tested all of these, and I would say the home way it really pretty much works is unless you have already installed the application before you have deleted anything. So that's the only way you will be able to recover any photo, documents, or anything that you have deleted on your devices. Unless you have pretty much downloaded the application, then you have deleted that file or video, whatever the case is. So it doesn't really work. It just scans for documents on your device, nothing much. Scans here, pretty much doing the photo recovery section here. You can see your phone, 420 recovered photos.
If you want to know what you will look like.
And scans here will show an ads. Just pretty much watch off the ads and you're pretty much good to go. So I will just tap on the continue option here, and then you'll be able to see all the photos that was deleted and you recovered these photos. So all of these photos are already on my device. So these are not deleted or anything like that. You can tap on that R icon there to pretty much see all the deleted photos, but these photos or videos or everything are already on my device. So they're not deleted or anything like that. As you can see here, some of them are pretty much from WhatsApp, and these are not deleted at all. So it's pretty much shocking for this here, and it doesn't work unless you pretty much have the application on your device when you were deleting whatever you deleted. So that's the only way it works. So if you're doing an application to recover things that was deleted before, it will not work. Same thing for the audio recovery. It doesn't work as well. You have to just tap on the audio recovery option, tap on the scan option. Same procedure for all of them, and we'll pretty much scan if you have any deleted files or anything like that. And let me tell you, we'll just play music on your device. Nothing much. These are all still on my device. So I would say it doesn't work, guys. And if you have any questions at all as it relates to this application, feel free to comment below and see if we can assist you as it relates to this. But the only thing it does is pretty much just scans your device for files and so forth. So nothing much. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.